Hello, everyone. Today we're going to take another step and look more into proofs by using a math that you're more familiar with. So when we use proofs in algebra, we call them algebraic proofs. We're going to go through what those are, look at an example, and then you're going to try one on your own. So the deal with algebraic proofs is that you have already done them. The only difference between what you've done in the past and what we're going to do now is we're going to solve an algebraic problem, but we're also going to defend every step that we do. Now, the way that we show our defenses is by looking at these different algebraic properties. The big ones we're going to use today are the properties of equality. So you know all these, you use them. The addition property of equality just says that if you add something on one side of the equal sign, you have to add it to the other. Same thing with subtraction, subtract on both sides. Multiplication, multiply on both sides. Division, divide on both sides. The next four properties are ones that come up, but we will not use specifically in the proofs today. But the reflexive property says that something is equal to itself, A equals A. I like to think of a mirror. The mirror reflects back that same image to you. The symmetric property of equality says that you can switch the order of the equal sign and it's still the same. So A equals B is the same thing as B equals A. The transitive property of equality says that if two numbers equal each other, so if A equals B and B are also equals C, then you can go ahead, remove the B and go straight to A equals C. Finally, the substitution property says that if two values are equal, you can substitute it. So these are all things that, yes, this is like really formal technical math language, but if you see it in the context of a problem, most of you will say, this is common sense. Like, we know that something is equal to itself, or that you can substitute, those sorts of things. So we're just taking things that you already know, things that you are already aware of, and just formally writing it out.